Hello. All right, guys. Can you guys hear me? If you know you can hear me, just let me know, Sean. So, today we'll be analyzing our charts. So we are doing a bit of trading, right? Analyzing our charts, very, very, very compulsory. So I'm just touching everything from scratch. My screen is okay to go with. So let me check. We are opening trading view right now. We are opening trading view right now, right? So very compulsory. We are opening trading view right now, right? Okay. So let me choose a pair. Let me choose a pair. We're analyzing the market as it is. Let me choose a pair. So at this moment, let's analyze gold, if at all. Let's analyze gold. Currently gold is trading, right? If you look at the trend, you still know that, we are still looking at the daily time frame. You know that, yes, like gold is bullish. Gold is still bullish. So on here, gold is bullish, and when we look at this particular point, we know that this is another block where we need to wait for gold to come and retest, right? But we can't wait for that because it's going to be too very, very, very long, right? So because of that, we have to look for opportunities. We go to the lower time frame to look for opportunities, right? If not, here now we can mark this other block, right? Yes, and wait for price to retest. But there are better ways we can actually do this. Yes, there are better ways we can simply do this. Let me do my chart very well so it can look more pleasing. All right. So from the daily time frame, we know that the market is bullish. We go to the daily time frame, the 4 hour time frame. So from the 4 hour time frame, we can see that gold is still very, very bullish. Yes. My name is Johnchegbe. I'm an SMC trader. So I trade, I trade smart money concept, right? That is my trading strategy. So looking at this, you know that this is another block, you know, and then there's a break of structure here. So these are just what I trade, these are what I trade, and I'm going to really be giving, we guys, I'm going to be giving us, signals and so on and so forth. So now, if you check here, this is a break of structure. Yes, that's a break of structure, a very nice break of structure. Let me look for um something to make use of on this part so that at least our chart will look more clean, right? So if you are new, you can just, you can just simply like try as much as possible to, look at the way I'm just, selecting my stuff. It's as simple as that. It's not difficult, right? It's not difficult. All these things are very simple. So let me use this time. So if you check, this is a break of structure over here. Yes, that's a break of structure, right? That's a break of structure. And the break of structure, the other block is coming from this place. This is the other block, right? That is still the other block. On the 4 hour, so that is just on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, right? So let me just confirm that everything is moving smoothly. This is the other block. Let me confirm that everything is still moving softly. Okay, so the whole thing is moving gradually. So now this is it. So on the 1 hour time frame, there's a break of there's a change of character around there, right? There's a change of character. Um Sometimes I just feel like, plotting my chart is not necessary, but at the end of the day, I'm teaching right now, so I have to do more. 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 Let me look for an arrow, an arrow that looks nice. So, but though, let me just let me make use of this if at all. So now there's a change of character around there. There's a change of character around there. Yes, there's a change of character around there. There's a change of character around there. Yes, this change of character, right? This break of structure, break of structure. And when you look at this old stuff, you will see that there's this break of structure, there's another block here. So when we draw this to be the other block, right, which has been mitigated by this, let's go to the 15-minute time frame, so that we'll readjust the chart to a better level, right? That is what I want to do right now. That's what I want to do right now. Let me make adjustment. So that is a very good point. So let's see. Let's see. How to refresh my browser. All right, so I'm on this is the 4 hour time frame. So I'm moving straight to the 15-minute time frame. Now on the 15-minute time frame, you can see, right? You can see what sorry, I mistakenly go went for another pair, right? Let me click good back. So on the 15-minute time frame, you can see what the market is doing. So you can see that this is a break. There's a break of structure here. There is a break of structure there. Let me just settle down and select what I'm trying to look for. Right, I want to select what I'm looking for. Ray info. Okay. Um. All right. So now there's a sorry. So like I have to like do some kind of selection here. So over here we can see that there is what is it called? There is a break of structure here. So when The smart money concept is so easy. So when you have a break of structure here, so we can just write BOS as the symbol for the break of structure, right? A symbol for the break of structure. There's a break of structure there. There's a break of structure here which has been mitigated. So this break of structure over here has been mitigated. These break of structures have been mitigated. It has been tapped already, right? It has been tapped. Then if we still observe, there's a change of character here. There's a change of character here also, right? There's a change of character here. You have to make sure your line is intact. All right. So there's this change of character there. So change of character, CHC. Okay. This is how you can simply just write it, but you can just do it the way you want. So there's a change of character there. So this break of structure, the other block is here. This is the other block for this is the other block, right? The other block, we can simply like there's where I'm going to. So this let's pick this level, which looks more clearer. All right. All right. So price has to mitigate this area. So we'll be looking for buy around this zone, right? Around this particular order block. So this is another block. This is another block, guys. This is an order block. That is another block. So most of the time we can place an aggressive trading in the sense that what we'll just do is very simple. Let me look for my buy for my short and long. So we are waiting for price to tap into this order block. Once price tap into this order block, we'll be looking for some confirmation. So we need a liquidity sweep. We need a liquidity sweep around this particular area. We need liquidity sweep. So what I'll be expecting the market to do for me is when price gets into here, I need a little liquidity sweep. Then price gets into the area with a strong displacement, right? Then I'll look for the other block that caused the displacement. Then we enter buy. This is the best approach you can use when entering into a trade, to prevent losses, right? To prevent losses. That is the most important approach you can simply use any day, anytime, right? So this is the best approach. This is how it is. This is how it is. Very, 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 very nice. Very, very, very nice. So this is the best approach you can use when trading. You can use this approach when trading. So we are waiting for price to tap into this other block for gold. Gold has been bullish, so we are simply looking for buys, right? Now, if you look your chart, you will see that all these places are liquidity. All these places are liquidity. This place will be taken as liquidity, right? That is going to be taken as my liquidity. So we'll take that as liquidity zone. So yeah, so that is going to be the liquidity. So price has to take out this liquidity, get to the other block, do some sweep of the sell liquidity, and then goes back with a strong displacement, then comes back to the other block or the break of structure that causes the displacement, and then we can enter our buys. So this is the plan for gold. This is what we'll be looking at, right? This is a live trading session. This is a live trading session. So don't forget, this is a live trading session. This is 10:21 a.m. on Tuesday, right? 10:21 on Tuesday, August 18, 2021, right? Yeah. So that is it. That is it, guys. So we'll be looking for more opportunities in the market. We'll be looking for more opportunities in the market. So this is my analysis so far. Thank you, guys. Thank you for those who are new to my channels. Try as much as possible to give a follow, a like button. I'll be coming every day for live session for few analysis every day. Every day I'll be coming live by 10 a.m. Every day I'll be live by 10 a.m. to analyze, you know, um, to do some analysis on pairs, and then from there we grow our account, we trade our profits, we pass our profit, we start making money, so on and so forth. Thank you, guys. Thank you very, very much for joining. Thank you. And yes, see you in my next video.